Adani Enterprises announcement to exit Wilmar International. Adani Enterprises Limited will sell its entire 43.94% stake to Adani Wilmar Limited. The move has triggered with mixed market reaction, with the stock price of Adani Wilmar down 25% to the level of 246 rupees. The company announced to sell 31% stake to Adani Wilmar Limited and the remaining 12.88% to public investors. These will increase public shareholding in Adani Wilmar Limited to 25%. The company said in a statement that the sale is expected to bring over $2 billion for Adani Enterprises Limited. AWL plans to use this money to focus on its main businesses such as energy, utility, transport and logistics. The company aims to boost its investment in infrastructure. Adani Wilmar Limited announced that it will rebrand itself, including change its corporate name. Additionally, Adani Group's representative on Adani Wilmar Limited, Pranav Adani and Malay Mahadevia has resigned. Adani Wilmar Limited is a consistent revenue growth compounder with its revenue nearing to 50,000 crore in the FMCG market. Now we will discuss business model. The company has having three business vertical. First one is edible oil, which contributes 75% of revenue. Second one is industry essential, which contribute 14% of revenue, and the third one is FMCG business, which contribute 11% of revenue. Under the edible oil segment, the company offers sunflower oil, groundnut oil, soybean oil, rice bran oil, cottonseed oil, mustard oil, and more under its brand Fortune and King. Under the industrial essential segment, the company offers oleic chemicals including stearic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, soap noodles and glycerin, which are primary ingredients for personal care and home care products. Under the food and FMCG segment, the company offers essential kitchen staples including wheat flour, rice, besan, pulses and sugar under the brand Fortune, Kohinoor and so on. The company operates 23 manufacturing units and 47 third-party units. The segment-wise capacities and utilizations are edible oil refining capacity 5.5 million metric, which is 60%, food capacity 0.9 million metric, which is 54%, industrial essential 1.6 million metric, which is 75%. The company plans to grow its food and FMCG segment, aiming for it to contribute 25% of total sales by FY27. It also wants to expand into more rural areas, reaching 50,000 towns by FY25. Additionally, it aims to increase number of retail outlets it directly supplied to 1 million within next 3 years. Overall, the management is confident about future growth, driven by strong financial performance, strategic investment in capacity, and an expanding in market presence, despite facing competitive pressure and market fluctuation. Now I'll discuss financials. Adani Wilmar Limited has commanded a market cap of 32,031 crore with the PE ratio of 26.4, which is equal to the industry PE of 21.9, indicating aligned with the valuation. The company's profitability metrics are moderate with the ROC of 10.4% and ROE of 3.65%, reflecting a lower capital efficiency compared to industry leaders. However, it maintains a manageable debt to equity ratio of 0.22. With Adani Enterprises Limited exiting its stake, the company's debt structure is expected to be restructured, improve financial stability. For FY 2024, Adani Wilmar reported sales of 49,243 crore, while its TTM sales stands at 56,939 crore. The net profit for FY 24 reached 278 crore, with the TTM net profit of 1,215 crore, highlighting a fluctuating but improving financial performance. In terms of shareholding pattern, after AWL announced its plan to sell its entire stake, 25% of Adani Wilmar will be held by the public, while the remaining 75% will be with Adani Wilmar itself. Now we'll discuss technical chart pattern. The stock price of Adani Wilmar has down 70% from its top level, and currently it is trading at the level of 250 rupees. While recording this video, it is currently trading at the level where it was at IPO level. Please let me know in the comment below what is your opinion for the same. Please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Before taking any action, please talk with your advisor first. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.